Learners, good day. Welcome to this channel. I am Dr. T.S. Sundaravadivel. In this video, we are going to see the projections for a circular lamina whose surface is inclined to VP. Right. So this is the question. Draw the projections of a circle of 5 cm diameter having its plane vertical and inclined at 30 degrees to VP. The plane of the circle is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. This inclination is very important because this inclination only decides where to draw the true shape. Okay, so though the circle is inclined to VP, we have to draw the true shape in the front view. Its center is 3 cm above HP and 2 cm in front of VP. So this also should be satisfied. So we are fixing the center location. So the center is 30 mm, that is 3 cm above HP and 2 cm in front of VP. Right. Now we'll go to Autocad. So here open Autocad screen and then the basic template we have prepared and we have saved it as a drawing file. The detailed procedure for preparing the drawing sheet has been given as a link in the description. We can go through that. Okay, now I am opening the template. General A3 sheet template with title block. We can draw like this and we can make it as a template so that whenever we want to draw a drawing, we can open like this and we can draw whatever the diagram we need, so that we can save some nearly some 10 to 15 minutes. Right. Now I have to draw this diagram. So we can copy this diagram, or we can, if we need, we can copy the question also, and we can place aside of the, this is the drawing area, so we can place it near to that using Ctrl C, Ctrl V, those commands we can place it here. Okay, so that we can draw it easily. If diagram is not available, we can make use of the question. We can take the question and we can place it here. Right. Now I am going to draw this diagram here. So I need an XY line first. That blue colored line is the XY line. So for that I have to choose this normal line with the bilayer. We can select it and then we can go for line. We can switch ortho mode. This is ortho mode. We can switch ortho mode and we can draw a true horizontal line. Right. Then in the front view I have to draw a circle. Take circle command. Specify center, it is asking. So here we have to fix the center because in the drawing, in the question itself, they have mentioned that the circle is 30 mm above XY, that is 3 cm above HP has been given. So we can fix the center. So x-axis should be, that is, it is asking x coordinate and y coordinate. So we don't know the global coordinates. From here it is fixing. This one is 0, 0 and this one should be, actually it should be drawn here. Above XY it should be 30 mm. So we don't know the coordinates exactly. So what we can do is we can draw a line from here. We can draw a line for 3 centimeters, that is 30 mm. 30 mm and we can give escape. So now we got a point at 30 mm above XY line. Now we can draw the circle with this. The radius of the circle is diameter is 50 mm. So picking the center, I am drawing a circle for radius 25. Right. If we want diameter also, we can change it. No, nothing wrong in that. In the circle command, we can change for diameter and we can draw. Right. So now we got the circle. Then basically when we are drawing it in a drawing sheet, we have to divide the circle by at least 8 parts so that we will get this curve smoothly. Now when we are drawing in AutoCAD, anyway this is going to be an ellipse. We are going to draw ellipse using ellipse command. So we need at least 4 points. 4 points is sufficient. Right. So I am dividing the circle into 4 parts. I am drawing a horizontal line and then a vertical line. Okay. So the circle can be somewhat thicker. So I am selecting 0.3 mm line. So circle is thicker and the other lines are construction lines. Right. Now I got four points. Now I am going to give the name for those 4 points. This is nothing but our A dash, we can change the size of these letters using that annotations. A dash. Then I am copying this and then I am moving it to different locations. While moving, I have to switch off that ortho. Okay. So this is A dash and I am giving the name for this one as B dash. B dash. This one C dash. When we are drawing it in drawing sheet, definitely 4 points will never be sufficient. So we have to take at least 8 points by taking 45-degree lines. D dash. Right. Then I got this figure. Now I have to get this one. So the center in the question itself, the center has been fixed. That is 30 mm above HP and 22 centimeter in front of VP. Those things are fixed. So here I have to get the top view at 20 mm away from XY line. So what I am doing here is the same thing. I can offset this XY line also, or I can draw a line. So from here I am drawing a line for 20 centimeter. 20 centimeters. And then another line simply like this, so that I got a line at 20 centimeter distance from XY. Now using ray command, I can project all the points of the front view. All the points of the front view to this right. So now we got the points like this. Okay, we have to give the corresponding names here. Here it is 1 dash, so here it will be 1. Like that we have to give the names. So this is A dash. We can copy this similar to that, so it will be easy. We can copy and we can place it wherever we need, then we can change it. Okay, in these locations we have to write some names. So this one is A1, A dash is for front view, A is for top view. Similarly here, this is for B dash, B comma within brackets D, because B is visible and D is hidden. Similarly here, this one will be C. Right. Now we got all the points. Then we can select this 0.3 mm line and we can draw a line from here. Okay. So now we got the first stage, front view and top view we got. In the next step what we have to do is, we should not change, we have to tilt this top view. We have to tilt the top view as shown here. So here we have to note one thing. The center is being fixed. Okay, because in the question itself it has been fixed, so we should not be able to change the center. Okay, this point number 4 refers to the center that is being fixed at 20 mm. In the same way, here we can extend this line. Select this bilayer. If you want to draw any lines, horizontal or vertical line, better switch on that ortho mode. Okay, then give escape. So easily we can draw this one. Copy selection, move it and place it exactly on that line. Okay, then give escape. You can draw this the second stage very easily when you are drawing with AutoCAD. But when you are drawing in paper, it will be somewhat time consuming. Okay. Now we can we have to rotate this for the necessary needed angle. So this side should be 30 degrees. That is our need. Okay, we have to tilt this top view for 30 degrees. So what I am doing here is, I am going for rotate command. Rotate, select objects. If we group it, it will be easy. Okay, then I am giving enter. It is asking specify base point. The center should be the base point. Yes. Now it is asking rotation angle. We can give 30. 30. Either side we can rotate. Either that side or this side we can rotate. Nothing wrong in that. The only thing is the center should be at 20 mm. If you want to rotate in the opposite direction, you can give minus 30. Right. But you have to be somewhat thorough with the angle conventions, what is being followed in that particular version of AutoCAD. Okay. So I am projecting all these points here using ray. Okay, so we can see here I have drawn this for 30 degrees and I have projected all these points upwards. Similarly, I have to project all these points from the side, from the true shape. So for that also I have to use ray command. ray, and this is your XY. So for instance, we can make it as a 0.3 mm line, so that we will not be confused with the other lines. Or we can give some other color using this. We can give some other color. Okay. Now I have to join this A and A. So this is going to be our one point. So we can go for point command. Okay, using annotation we have to change. Actually point is being formed, but that is not visible. So to make it visible, we can go for annotation command and we can make it. But now that is not required for us. So what I am doing here is I am copying this number name. I can select anything as the base point, and I need to make points here in these 4 locations. Okay, so this is going to be my A1 dash. A1 dash. Why A1 dash? Because I am joining A and A. A horizontal, A vertical I am joining, so I am getting A1 dash. Similarly, D horizontal, D vertical. This will be my D1 dash. This will be my C1 dash. This will be my B1 dash. Okay. Now I got all the 4 points. Actually, we know that whenever a circle is being tilted, the apparent shape formed will be an ellipse. Okay, so we are going to draw an ellipse here. When you are drawing it in paper, you have to join all these points, and then you have to give names for all these points as I told in the previous step, and you have to join that slowly until you get a smooth curve. That curve will be an ellipse. But here, though we are drawing it in software, an inbuilt function is available to draw an ellipse. Okay, so if we know some points like center and axis end and so on, we can draw an ellipse. So it is asking specify axis end point of an ellipse. Okay, then another end point of okay. So now we got the ellipse. We can make it thicker with the aid of this command. Right. And another thing, it has been asked to draw traces. What is meant by traces? Trace is nothing but the point of intersection of the plane with XY line. That is called trace. So the procedure for drawing trace has been given in the description. Okay. So what we have to do is that inclined line should be extended up to XY. Okay, for getting trace, that inclined line should be extended up to XY line using ray command. Okay, and then that point of intersection will be named as small v. Okay, small v. I will copy. That point name is small letter v. Okay, right? Then we have to draw a horizontal line from here. Sorry, vertical line from here. At V, draw a vertical line. Okay, and then project the plane surface up to that vertical line. So this is one point, and then here we will get another point. So you can take that 0.3 mm line and then go for line command from here to here. Draw the line. So this is nothing but your vertical trace. So we can write vertical trace. So now we got the lines, we got the diagram. Whatever the lines are unnecessary, we can delete it. Okay. This figure also, now it is not needed, so we can delete, and the other lines and all we can delete. Okay, wherever unnecessary lines are available, we can delete it. And finally we can save it in a different meaningful name. I am giving circular lamina, surface inclination with VP, so that whenever we need we can open it. It will be saved in .dwg format. This is the format for AutoCAD diagrams. Just give save. It will be saved here. You can see the name, circular lamina, surface inclined with VP. In the top also you can see. Okay, thank you.